with this vacuum and we're gonna see what it picks up in my kids' room. To like my eyes, it does not look super dirty. Let's see. Yes, sir. Not yet. Good. That's what I picked up from my kids' semi-clean room, which is pretty disgusting. All right, so it has this little clip here that will hold the trigger button down. Do not go to dog food. So when you do it like this, you don't have to hold the button in anymore. It has a max mode, but I honestly have not had to use it, and it'll just drain the battery faster. So here's what it looks like. Got a trigger here for emptying out in the trash. So what I do is I just bring it over, push that button, and then the bottom comes out here and just dumps it into the trash. The thing that I do not like about it is that it doesn't stand up very well on its own. So it will stand up like this when it's like leaned up against the wall, but it'll tip over pretty quick. So that's the only thing that I wish that I could change about it, really, was that that it would really stand up on its own, and or I could like set it somewhere. I wish that I could just like set it somewhere and move something, but it would just fall down.